In survival situations, having a reliable means of transportation is crucial. Today, we'll explore the advantages and disadvantages of gas-powered and electric vehicles as potential bug-out options, helping you make an informed choice for your emergency preparedness. Gas-powered vehicles are well established. They offer widespread parts availability, quick refueling, and significant range. However, they depend on fuel availability and require frequent maintenance. Electric vehicles are quieter, cleaner, and need less upkeep. You can charge them at home if the grid is stable, but they often have limited range and depend on slower, less common charging stations. In power outages, recharging could be a challenge. To choose your bug-out vehicle, consider reliability, off-road capabilities, fuel storage, and cargo capacity. For gas vehicles, store fuel safely. For EVs, explore portable solar chargers or backup power solutions. Regular maintenance is vital for both options. Evaluate your environment and make a plan. Choosing the right vehicle and keeping it prepared could make all the difference when survival is on the line.